Hello everyone, my name is Salauddin Enamdar and I am from Aurangabad, Maharashtra. I have completed BSc Computer Science in 2022. After that, I was struggling to find a job in IT company. Then my friend told me about 45 days of virtual training in Evision Technoserve. After that, I joined 45 days of training. Then later completing my 45 days of virtual training, I got a job in IT company. The company name is Evision Technologies, and during training I learned basic networking, Windows administrator, virtualization, ITIL, CCNA, cyber security, etc. So the training was completely online, and our trainers were very supportive and always help us when we had a doubt. So move to the placement team. Evision Technoserve also gave us great placement support. They prepared us for interview, also helped improve our resume step by step. So because of their support, I got placed in a good company, and I feel proud and confident now. So lastly, I want to say thank you all of the Evision team for helping me to start my career in IT. So thank you Sati ma'am, thank you Ganesh sir. And if you are looking for a job in IT company, so Evision is a great platform for you. So thank you so much.